The project that Oceanites runs is called the Antarctic Site Inventory. We've just finished our 27th straight year of collecting data in the vastly warming Antarctic Peninsula. And that's the basis for a lot of the climate change discussion now, because my indicator species, these three species of penguins that I track, the Adelie, chinstrap, and gentoo, they're having different responses to the vastly warming Antarctic Peninsula ecosystem. It's warmed by a massive 3 degrees centigrade or 5 degrees Fahrenheit in the last 6 decades, which is, by the way, the kind of extensive warming that all the experts want us to avoid up here in temperate latitudes. The gentoos are booming, they've adapted well, but the Adelies and chinstraps are not, and therein lies the tale. We're not only continuing our penguin counting from year to year, but using penguins as the avatar to talk about some really vital questions. I mean, I'm really glad the government now is really thinking about climate change and everything that it does, because this is really critical. Down the line, are we humans going to have enough food to eat, a good home, a healthy environment, and keep producing kids and grandkids like those gentoo penguins are? So it's a warning sign in a way. Global warming or climate change shows up at the Arctic, at the poles, in the Arctic and in the Antarctic first. And we're starting to see some of those effects now. The folks at the United Nations who are looking out for the climate, plus all of our experts here in the US and certainly around the world, are trying to ensure that we start reducing carbon emissions hugely. We want to avoid a temperature increase up here of 1 or 1.5. If it starts getting above that, it's going to be horrible. Global sea level rise, other catastrophes. The penguins are already going through this, and by looking at their changes, we're getting an inkling of what we're going to have to worry about in the future. But hopefully, by thinking about penguins, our avatars, our favorite little, fuzzy friends, even though they do smell a little bit, as you know. We love them to death, but they're teaching us something about our planet that's really important.